Hey friends, if you wish to take ownership and full control of registry keys on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So open the registry editor window, open registry editor and click on yes. And then let us say that we need to take full control of this key or any key for say. I'm just taking an example. Right click on this key and select permissions, and then you need to select the account for which you need the permissions. Click on allow, check this box and click on apply and then on OK. So what did we click allow on? Check this. We selected allow, for full control. Once you have full control, it means you have full ownership over that. Okay. And another thing is that if you are opening the registry editor, always open it as an administrator. That is what is required. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.